It was the most magical night.
Good morning. It is 4:30 a.m. We flew in from Hawaii last night, packed the trailer up, and now I'm heading to Park City, Utah. Juan is just making his coffee inside the house, about to head out here, and we have an 11-hour drive ahead of us. We're going to cook for Hannah and Dan from Ballerina Farm and their Christmas party, which I'm really excited about. What I'm not excited about is the fact that it is going to be minus 10 on the day I cook in Park City, Utah. So this will be very interesting.
We are here at Gracie's. It is time to set up. Guys, cooking a very special Christmas dinner for my good friend Hannah and Daniel from Ballerina Farm and all of their staff. So let's set up some fire pits in the snow. Wild cherry wood from the canyons of Park City, Utah. We're pretty much set up. We're just waiting for my good friend Inez to turn up with the Gosney pizza oven. We're currently kind of defrosted all this amazing meat from the Ballerina Farm store that came in this morning. It is currently minus 7 Celsius, which is around about 30 Fahrenheit. Pretty cold. We've got these amazing pork baby back straps that we're going to marinate overnight in the fridge with some orange. We've got maple, all these beautiful Christmas herbs in the dome and cook them tomorrow. We've got ground beef, we've got breakfast sausage, all the things. And then in here I actually have some amazing Ballerina Farm their pastry section. So these are a cinnamon croissant roll, which I'm going to turn into a cinnamon croissant bread and butter pudding. And then we've got some of their famous chocolate chip cookies, and I'm going to cook these, and I'm making some Natalie's Juice tangerine marshmallows for everyone to cook on fire. It is 11:30 and guests are arriving for 4:30, so we don't have that much time, but thankfully we don't have huge cuts of meat today. So my morning looks like I've lit the fire. This is normally like the calm before the storm. I'm always like, oh, I feel like so put together, and then I'm like, oh crap, there's so much happening.
I mean, but you do look so put together. Show off the fits. Ooh! She's a wrap present for y'all.
I am. I've even got a bow. So under here I have made some pumpkin creme brulees. We can open this guy up. So my plan with these is to heat them back up on the fire, and then I'm going to add them with a ton of sugar and blowtorch it in front of everyone just for a little bit of drama. I've also made some incredible marshmallows, so I've got the recipe for you for that one, so we'll leave a link below for you. And then over here we have all this meat. So this is from Hannah and Danielle from Ballerina. This is their tomahawk steak. So we've just been dry aging it overnight in some salt, and I'm about to get ready to drill holes through the bone and hang them all in the fire. And we've also got some beautiful baby pork ribs. Again, I've got a recipe for you for that one, and I better get cooking basically. I tell you what, I think we need it. Come on.
Oh, nice.
We have things to do. People to cook for. Here's my marshmallow.
Yum!
She's gonna look.
We're digging for some scissors.
Taking the scissors in the back of the trailer. There is. Did that help? Yeah, I got some.
Yeah. Hi, I'm JC. I'm with Gracie's Farm.
Oh, let's see if that works.
Gracie's Farm is a regenerative farm in Wanship, Utah, and we're set up like a market farm. And we put on cool events with people like Sarah. So what are we doing right now?
All right, so we are going to go and harvest some of the vegetables that we'll be eating tonight. Jason, who you met before, really warm in here.
I'm excited. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
It's so pretty. All right, so these are radicchio, and then what we're looking for is like a hard baseball kind of center. And what we're going to do is wash these. I'm just going to lightly, I take the little butt out of it and it will just break all the head apart, and then I'll tear them lightly. We're going to serve them with my beetroot salad. I feel like that's what people actually want to see. In
Yeah.
your most unflattering angles. Be like, I
Okay,
knew it.
well then there you go.
All right, so this is some kidney fat. It's actually left over from the Jackson Hole shoot I did, and I'm basically gonna render it down, and I'm gonna cook my cabbages in it later on. Wait, we might need.
There we go.
It is quite cool.
Who now? So drill all the ones that are
Not those ones. Yeah, so everything else, perfect. In the way, so you don't want to drill your hand. These carrots are from Gracie's farm, and I'm going to be making a salad out of them. I've made a homemade Lebna. Lebna is basically yogurt that you put in a cheesecloth and press down. It makes it a little thicker, a little creamier, really tart. I think it'll go perfectly with our fire roasted carrots with a little bit of honey on top. Looking good. So far, I am happy with the way everything's turned out. It is coming together. It's about to get very cold, so I need to make sure my fire is stoked.
I loved how you told your story at the other one.
Okay, cool. I got you. Yep, great. And I felt like God kept saying to me, okay, the most important thing is that you know that I love you. And you have meat or ribs? Ribs? No. Hello, it's you. We made it to the end. These are creme brulee pumpkins. And we're serving my tangerine marshmallows with hot cocoa. I can say success. It was a push, but we did it. I think everyone's happy. Are you guys happy? Okay, so everyone's clearing now.
Everyone's clearing out. It was the most magical night.
Was it?
It was so magical. We're so, like, our toes are freezing. But
My toes are so cold
our
right now.
toes are numb. But I told Sarah,
comfortable.
I'm like, I think that was the best night I've ever had. And multiple people told me that.
That's so good. Okay guys, so this is the wrap. Tonight was super successful. I got to cook things that I don't normally cook. It is really cold right now. We've got a very big cleanup to do. But thanks so much for watching, and leave me some comments below on things that you would like to see on my YouTube channel. And hit the bell so you know next time there is an adventure by me, or something I'm cooking, or something fun. So thanks for joining me at Hannah and Daniel's from Ballerina Farm's Christmas party.